Hello, hello, beautiful peoples! Hi guys, I'm back again. For today's video, ay mag-unboxing tayo ng Salamat Shopee again. Oh, naka-bubble wrap and all. Mabigat siya guys. Kita na yung isa. So, ito ay, wait lang. This is parang secured well. Wait lang. Sirain lang natin lahat ng protection. So, it's a waterproofing spray coating rubber coating spray for repair sealant, roof, and wall. So, ito ay quick seal. Flexible rubber coating. May color ba ito? So, tatlo. In-unboxing ko yung parcel niya. Para sa mabubong na medyo may tagas na dyan and all, spray and voila. Hindi natatagas yung tubig ulan. So, ayan siya guys. Anong color na dad? Black? Gray. Oh, color gray. Malay ko ba? Gray ang lalagyan, tapos black na palagay sa loob. So, gray siya. Ayan o, may pag ganyan-ganyan. May amoy, syempre, amoy pintura. So, baka interested kayo, ilagay ko na lang yung link sa comment section later. Quickly absorbs and refill the crack holes. So, maganda tong pangtapal. Okay. Maganda pangtapal sa bubong. So, ayan. Ayan, guys. Waterproofing spray coating rubber coating spray repair sealant for roof wall. So, spray lang and then it will cover up the butas para hindi magtagas ang water. So, that's all muna for today, guys. Join me again on my next unboxing. Join me again on my next video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. And as always, from my little world to yours. Love, love, love.